Hello, my stamping friends. It's Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Now, I have to tell you, I am not going to stamp today. Usually twice a week I do a video and I stamp and share fun projects with you. So if you're here to watch a stamping project, I just want to tell you right now, I'm not stamping, but I have some really important fun stuff to share with you. And I'll be back stamping with you next week. So many of you have heard about the Creativate retreat. We are about to open up registration. Well, actually it's open already for our 7th one. I can't believe this is our 7th one. And I want to invite you to come along and join me at the Creativate online virtual retreat. Now, a little bit about it. This is a completely online event, so you can enjoy it wherever you live, worldwide. We always have people from around the world even joining us. We have the event in a private Facebook group. Now, hold on. If you don't use Facebook, we have you covered. You can still register, and a couple of days after the event, we will send you everything, and you still get in on the door prize drawings. Now, what the heck is this retreat? It is a time where we share so many stamping ideas that we don't share on our normal social media with you. And we just want to inspire you and give you these ideas and get you stamping. Now, the whole goal is that we teach you how to use products you have. We don't give you a great big long supply list of things you need to buy, but rather we design our projects so you can use what you have. We like to call them generic projects. So any stamps, any paper, any designer series paper, inks, whatever you have, you can recreate what we do. Now, over the course of the day, we will do at least 10, actually 11. No, I think we're at 10, but we try to get a guest speaker, so that bumps it up to 11. So at least 10 live stamping presentations. You can watch them live, or you can watch the video replay, or you can wait till after and we'll send it to you. And during these presentations, we will share techniques, simple stamping ideas, fun folds, all sorts of things. You just never know what you're going to get from us. We try to find really different and unique things to share. So during the live, we will demonstrate, we will teach you, we'll give you tons of tips, and we'll use like certain products. But then afterwards, we will share the tutorial that you can download that'll have all the details for like the supplies we use, step-by-step instructions, and also show you alternate ideas. So I may use this stamp set, but I'm going to show you samples using 2 or 3 or 4 or sometimes 5 other stamp sets to help your brain learn how to use what you have, because that's truly our goal. Now you'll get all those downloadable tutorials, and it's only $45. This is worth its weight in gold. You can go buy tutorials out there. Yes, I sell tutorials, but this is the best deal for the amount of ideas and inspiration and tutorials you get. Plus all the fun. We give away tons of door prizes, and something we started last time. So if you've kind of joined us before, we are doing, leading up to the retreat, for 4 weeks, we're doing a stamping challenge. So again, we're giving you more ideas and encouraging you to stamp and share, and then more prizes if you participate in those. Now here's the deal. Registration opens today. It's Friday. On Monday, we're starting the first weekly stamping challenge. So you want to register right away. I'll have a link down in the description of the video to register. Actually, it'll take you to my website where it'll have all the information so you can read about it and you can register. But we want to get you registered right away so that we can get you on the private Facebook group. After you register, you'll get an email, how to join the group, and so that you can get involved with our challenges and some of the other fun things we do leading up to the retreat. And I think I said October 23 is retreat day. So we go all day on that Saturday, but we also have a ton of fun Friday night. We do a Facebook Live with all 4 of the Creativate team members on there, and we have tons of fun. We, 1, give away prizes. 2, we just share some fun facts so that you can get to know us better as people. And some of the stuff that comes out, oh my goodness. But again, if you can't join us live, you got the replays. So please join me. I promise you will love the projects and you'll have so many stamping ideas. It'll keep you stamping until our next retreat, in like 3 months from now. So if you have any questions, please email me, leave me a comment, reach out to me. I would love to have you register and join me at the Creativate virtual online stamping retreat coming up October 23rd. I promise you won't be disappointed. So I'll be back stamping with you next week. And I hope to see you on October 23rd with lots of fun stamping projects to share. We'll talk to you later. Have a stamp happy day.